Hey y'all, welcome back. We have day 3 here today. We are going to be going into character. So yesterday we talked about the frame. You watched me talk, you watched me narrate over the first set of slides. You did the assignment and turn it in by midnight. If for some reason you did not, please get that turned in. It'll just help you out in the long run. You won't have the extra assignments and you'll know kind of the answers to the quiz on Friday. So for today, we have the pillars of character. All right, so you're watching me right here. Awesome. After this, you're going to come watch this video. It's about 8 minutes long. I'm talking about character, and then there's a video in there. So you need to watch the video. You need to watch all of it to be able to complete your homework assignment tonight. If you want to just be able to access the PowerPoint, you can click on the slides right here. If for some reason this little thumbnail doesn't work, you can highlight right here and put that into your URL, copy and paste that. Okay, and then after you watch this, you're going to have your task 3, which is complete the homework. So the PDF titled Wellness 1 Character is going to be found right here. You're going to click on it, complete it in Notability, type your answers please, and then turn it in here into the June 17th submission tab. And again, those slides were right above it if you'd like to be able to access those. So for today's worksheet, it's a PDF. You're going to put the 6 pillars of character in here. You're going to describe them in the area next to it. For question 2, you're going to describe the difference between reputation and character in 1 to 2 sentences. For question 3, you're going to type one thing you learned from the video at the end of my lecture and the second thing you learned from the Science of Character video as well. And then get those turned in by midnight. See y'all tomorrow.